See the difference. Meet the Miller Digital Elite and Infinity line of auto-darkening welding helmets, packed with Miller's exclusive technologies that redefine welding vision. The Miller ClearLight 2.0 exclusive technology gives you a clearer, more natural view of your weld, so you can see the details that matter for consistent quality every time. Add the 3.0 light state and half shade settings and you get adaptive visibility that helps maintain that consistency no matter what you're welding. Now let me introduce you to Miller's exclusive X mode technology, because this one's a real game changer. No more dealing with your helmet flicking on and off as the sunlight changes. The X mode eliminates that interference completely, keeping your view of the weld pool stable and consistent. If you're working in tight spaces or awkward positions, well, the X mode has you covered there too. The lens darkens even if the sensors are blocked. So the bottom line is, you get reliable arc detection and consistent performance in any welding environment, even if TIG welding at low amps. With InfoTrack 2.0 technology, the Elite and Infinity helmets can also track your arc on time and arc count. Plus it features a memory selection allowing you to store your most used settings. Built for the long haul, both models come fitted with new legacy headgear featuring an oversized comfort cushion that feels great, even after hours on the job. The flexible ergonomic design gives you real support and stability where you need it. And the best part is, you can adjust the tilt, angle and depth to get the perfect fit for you. Because when your gear fits right, you can forget about it and focus on the job at hand. The Digital Infinity series takes visibility even further with HDV technology, giving you a sharp, detailed view at any angle with minimal distortion. No matter how you position yourself, you get that crystal clear perspective that you need to see exactly what's happening in the weld pool. The Digital Infinity and Elite helmet range. With cutting-edge technology and superior comfort, these helmets will take your welding to the next level. Find out more at welding.com.au.